Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be talking about the equation of a cycle with this example. We are going to look at this example. And before we solve the equation of a cycle, this example, I'm going to explain the general equation of a cycle. I know very well, or you know very well, that the equation of a cycle is of this form. Let's write solution first. The equation of a cycle is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to what? 0. True or false? Okay? So we know that this is the equation of a cycle. But we have an example here that we want to solve. But we are not going to make use of this equation of a cycle. Rather, we are going to use the general equation of a cycle, the general formula. Is that clear? Now, before I write down the general formula, we are going to let us have idea about it. Okay, let's have a cycle. Okay. This is a rough work. Let's have it this way. Let us have it in this form, although it's not perfect. Let's have it here. This is point P. This is the center, true or false? So we have center H, K here. Amen. Okay. So if you agree with me, it implies that this is our point X. Amen. X, Y, point P. Then this is our radius. Amen. So it implies that we are going to use Pythagorean theorem. Since we have the coordinates x, y and the center as h, k. But I know very well that there is another form where we can transform this. Instead of h and this thing, we can use g, f. But note that the center is always negative. Are you following? Here is always negative. But since we are talking about the general form of the equation of a cycle, let us use h and k. Amen. H and k. Okay. So if you agree with me, this implies that our x minus h all is square plus y minus k all is square is equals to what? This r square. This is the general form of equation of a cycle. So it means we are going to use this to solve this problem, because it says that we should find the equation of cycle with center and radius and 5 respectively. Are you following? Okay. So you discover that the center is 2, minus 2. The radius is what? 5. True or false? So let us make use of this formula. This is the formula we will use in solving the equation of this question. Okay, let's have it. The general form of the equation of the cycle is x minus h all in square plus y minus k all in square equals to what? R square. Amen. Okay, I know very well that some of us, we are here to know our x, and we are here to know our h and k. Already they said the center is what? 2 comma what? Minus 2. So it implies that in the cycle, let's have it again. In the cycle, we have h comma k. Amen. Then we have our point x comma what? Y. This is our arrow. So this is the center. It implies that h is what? 2 comma k is minus 2. True or false? So we now write, say where h is equals to 2 and k is equals to what? Minus 2. But I told you people that arrow, our radius, which is 5, exactly equals to 5. You know, I told you people that the center is always what? Negative. This implies that your h is equals to minus g, true or false? And your k is equals to minus what? Minus f, isn't it? So if this is true and this is true, it implies that our h will now be what? 2, true or false? Plus 2, that is, 2. So h will be equals to minus what? Minus times plus will be minus 2. And k here will be equals to, we have minus 2 times minus. Here k will be what? Plus 2, isn't it? Okay, so k will be 2 plus 2. Then while h will be minus 2. So we are going to substitute in this into this general form of equation of a cycle to obtain the equation of a cycle. It's okay. So let's go. Okay. So if you agree with me, if you can see what I am saying, our x minus, we know that our h now is what? Minus 2. But originally it was given as what? Plus 2, true or false? But because of the center is always negative, minus g and minus f. So instead of that, we are going to make use of this properly. So here we are going to have all in bracket minus 2, then all in bracket square, true or false. We discover that this is your h, then plus all in bracket y minus your k is plus 2. 2 all in square equals to your arrow is what? 5. But arrow is in square, raised to power 2. True or false? So what we need to do here is x. Use this one to multiply. Minus times minus will be plus all in bracket raised to power 2 plus y minus 2 all in square equals to amen. What is this? You know that 5 square is equals to 5 times 5. True or false? So 5 times 5 will give us what? 25. Mind you, remember that I said the equation of a cycle is of this form. So it means anything we are solving, we will solve to be in this form: x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy, there's 2fy plus c equals to 0. It means it must be in this form. So let us solve this to be in that form. So it implies that note, amen, note that x plus 2 all in square is the same thing as x plus 2 all in square times x plus 2. True or false? X plus 2 all in bracket, open bracket times x plus 2. So what we need to do here is to multiply our 2x times x will give us x squared. True or false? Okay? Then x times 2 plus 2 will give us 2x plus 2 times x will give us 2x, amen. Then plus 2 times 2 will give us what? Plus 4. So this implies that our x plus 2 all in square is equals to x squared plus 4x plus 4. Amen. Do you agree with me? So this will give us this. Now let us consider this bracket. y minus 2 all square is equals to the same thing applicable, y minus 2 all in bracket y minus 2. I'm breaking this because of for the sake of malice, is that clear? So that you won't be asking unnecessary questions. So let us break it. It means this y minus 2 all square is the same thing as y minus 2 times y minus 2. Do you agree with me? So this is, let's multiply out. Y times y will give us y squared. Y times minus 2 will give us minus 2y. So minus 2 times y will give us minus 2y. Then minus 2 times minus 2 will give us plus, because minus times minus will give us plus. 2 of us plus what? 4. Amen? Do you agree with me? Okay? So if you agree with me, then this implies that here will now be y squared minus 2y minus 2y will give us minus 4y plus what? 4. So therefore our y minus 2 all squared will give us this. So now instead of this we are going to write this. Instead of this we are going to write this. Is that clear? So if you agree with me, amen, if you agree with me, we are going to, okay, x plus 2 all squared is this, x squared plus 4x plus 4, amen. Then y minus 2 all squared give us what? Y squared minus, okay, plus y squared minus 4y, amen, plus 4, which is equals to what? 25. Do you agree with me? Okay, so if you agree with me, I said we are going to solve to obtain the equation of the cycle in this form. So let us have it in this form: x squared plus y squared, amen, plus 4x, amen, then minus 4y plus 4 plus 4. Are you following? Then equals to what? 25. Okay? So this is, mind you, please take note, you cannot subtract neither add 4x minus 4y. They are not the same thing. Just leave it as it is, but we can add 4 plus 4. So if you agree with me, or if you can see what I am saying, this is 4 plus 4 will give us what? 8 equals to, sorry, we want to meet this 4x minus 4y, then plus 4 plus 4, 8 equals to 25. Amen? So if you can see what I am saying, we can bring this one this way. So our x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 4y plus 8. This one crosses the sign of quality, minus 25 is equals to what? Equals to 0. True or false? Huh? True or false? Yeah. I know very well that some of you might be confused, most especially manias. Note that here is plus, true or false. If 25 crosses the sign of this equality to this left hand side, it will now give us what? Minus. That is why we have 8 minus 25. Yes. So now, without loss of generality, we are going to 8 minus 25 will definitely give us what? Minus 17. True or false? Huh? Malians? True or false? It's true. Because if you add 8 to 17, it will give you what? Amen? So our x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 4y here will give us, since 8 minus 25 will now give us minus 17 equals to 0. This is the required equation of a cycle. So this is how, this is the required equation of cycle. So this is how you can solve this type of question. Any problem, any question? No question? Okay. Thank you and God bless. Make sure you share this video, like and comment. God bless you.